In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block customers on Shopify using our updated 2025 guide. This tutorial is especially useful if you've encountered some problematic interactions or just want to set up preventive measures to protect your store from potential fraudulent activity. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to navigate Shopify's settings to enhance your store's security effectively. Let's start by accessing Shopify. First, you need to navigate to your store's homepage. This is where you can access all the necessary configurations for your store. Once you're on your store's homepage, look towards the bottom left of the screen where you'll find the settings option. You'll want to click on that to proceed. In the settings menu, look for the section labeled apps and sales channels. This is where you manage all the integrations and plugins that run alongside your Shopify store. Click on that section and it will take you to a list of installed apps. Next, you'll want to enter the Shopify App Store. It's easy to find. There's usually a direct option to visit it within the menu you're currently in. Once there, you'll be greeted with a search bar at the top. This is your go-to tool for finding new apps that cater to your specific needs. Here, type in fraud filter. The Shopify App Store has a plethora of applications designed to filter and block problematic users before they can impact your business negatively. Browse through the options and pick the app that best aligns with your store's requirements. It's important to read through the reviews and details of any app before making a final decision to ensure it meets your standards. After choosing the right app, go ahead and click on the Install button. This is where Shopify automatically guides you through the installation process. Follow any on-screen prompts to ensure the app is properly integrated with your store. Setting up the app is your next move. Each app may have specific setup instructions, but generally you'll be directed to a setup page or wizard that walks you through configuring it to your liking. Now, while in the theme editor, you want to make sure the newly installed app is enabled. This is crucial for it to start functioning correctly. Look for options within the app setup menu that allow you to enable its features. Most applications have a toggle or checkbox to switch them on. Finally, don't forget to save your settings. This ensures all the configurations you've made are retained and become active on your store. Saving your work is crucial as it prevents any accidental loss of setup progress. And that's it. You've successfully set up a fraud filter app to block unwanted customers effectively. By following these steps, you can now enjoy a more secure Shopify store experience. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more useful tips and guides.